Okay, and now Nasdaq seems like it wants to come back down as well. Let's watch for gold to potentially break that for a nice little push. Okay, the break of this nice little push may be down to our support. Again, wait for the candle to close. 53 seconds, okay? Don't be impatient. And if you want to wait, then wait for the next 6 minutes because we have news that's going to come out. Indecision on the indices. Did anyone end up selling gold up top over here? Remember what I told you guys, right? When we were here, the bearish divergence was extremely clear, which is why I told y'all to stay away from this, or even if y'all got on it to liquidate this. Did anyone sell this top on gold? And if anyone did, you should be up by about 30 pips, around about 30 pips right now. Okay, I'm guessing no one sold gold. Cool, new candle. We try to create a lower low, and let's see, we could get a little bit of a retest, maybe up to this region. I like this region. Okay, right where my cursor is, we should get rejected from there in order to continue the push to the downside. Okay, as of now, perfect retest. Where are you people? Seems like everyone's sleeping space. Okay, let's see how we want to react to that level. Good rejection. Okay, it's turning out to be a nice 4x move. We need to break that zone. Let's see if it's got the momentum to do so. Okay, US 30 pushing back up. Okay, we'll break those highs on the dirty, and then we're aiming to push to the 70. Okay, that's what they're going to aim to do. And again, this may be a pre-news move, which means this could happen in the next 3.5 minutes. And then maybe we start to come back bearish, but for now, this is the move. Okay. Nasdaq, similar, very similar to the dirty today. Come on, gold, freaking sell off. Okay, so I look at this. Based off of price action, it's very, very clear. Gold needs to push to the downside. Okay, but maybe they also are going to end up doing something like that on the RSI. You know what I mean? And if that wants to happen, and if that's going to be the liquidity grab on news, then we're going to get a pop back up over here and then make the continued push to the downside. Okay, so gold as of right now is still pretty, it looks good, but we can't say if it's ready for sure. Yes, when the EM is crossover, it is a death cross. Okay. Looking like a little bit of a double top to me, to be honest. And again, there's divergence over here as well. But listen, when news comes, you guys, divergence and all of these indicators and all of that good stuff just gets completely thrown out the window. Okay, so don't be banking on just that. Price action, we need to build our bias based off of price action and then take informed decisions accordingly. Okay. Bearish divergence on the dollar. Okay, it's going to be a battle between the two. Let's see what happens. Okay, so I'm going to open up the DXY here as well. I see some traders calling the DXY Dixie. I hate that so much. I always find that funny. The Dixie is dropping. Okay, let's do, I've got a minute. Let's just mark some key levels on the Dixie. Sorry guys, I just find that funny. Okay, We have a level there. We have a level here. We have a level here. We have a level here. Okay. Looking pretty bearish on the DXY. And let's see. Okay, if we want to push higher, we've got this gap to fill up here. And we have our levels down. That's it. We don't really need any more levels. So the short positions are going to be there. Long positions, again, could maybe be up in that region here. Okay. Cool. Let's try to see the correlation. Let's see if the DXY wants to actually drop and maybe gold starts to pop. Okay. Let's see how it goes. We've got 30 seconds to go, guys. Please don't be stupid. Just letting you all know, it's really not worth it if you guys are going to be over leveraging your accounts. Not today. Wait for the first candle to close. And if you want to get into any bigger positions, make sure you'll get your confirmation. All right. This is news. Let's have a good one. Okay, I have a sell stop on gold just in case gold wants to drop. Oh, okay. Gold dropped. And I just got 30 pips on gold. I'm running 30 pips on gold. Did you all see those beautiful sells? And of course, guys, listen, we're going to get some resistance. I'm pulling out 27 pips on gold. Fuck it. 35 pips, 35 pips. I just pulled out 32 pips on gold. Boom. Beautiful. Did anyone catch that with me? I just pulled out 32 pips on gold, you guys. 32 pips and all of this is starting to fucking drop. Look at that. Who caught gold with me? Who caught gold with me? Come on. Someone. Anyone. We told you guys what gold was going to do. I had a sell stop. I told you guys. Gold was going to sell. And it did. Okay. And as you can see, we're now pushing. Where could we possibly go to on gold? Oh man, I love these markets so much, guys. How blessed are we to be able to sit here and do what we do for a couple of minutes and freaking make money that people really struggle to make through and through the month, you guys. We're blessed to be in this position. Hard work always pays off. Remember that, you guys. Where was the sell stop? On the break of that. Break of that. Okay, let me see how much I pulled out of that position. I pulled out 33 pips. Beautiful. 33 pips on gold. I was in with 100. I made 3,300 on this. Okay, I'm happy, not complaining. All of this can drop or do whatever it wants to now. I'm done with the impulse on gold. If you guys didn't get in, it's fine. Wait for the candle to close. Wait for a little bit of the trampoline effect to play out so you could have a nice little retest and a rejection. You'll remember, there's a reason I marked this level up for you guys. I hope you'll understand why. Okay, everything on gold was screaming sell, 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 sell. And sometimes you just need to trust the market. Sometimes you just need to trust your instinct. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to flip this up to supply. What a day, you guys. What a freaking week it's been here at Forex trading. These markets have been insane. Cash has been making me and a lot of people on the streams a lot of money from London. And then I'm coming over here and trading more for New York. And it's literally banger after banger. I'm not even kidding. It's been intense. Any other trades you're looking at if we miss this? Buddy, this is only the first candle, alright? So wait for the candle to close. This was only the impulse trade. What you'd be looking for now on gold as well is a move like this, right? So if this candle closes over here, which it looks like it wants to, expect price to go back up and get rejected and come back down. So you have a nice little entry that you could get in over here at this rejection. Or of course, if it's just volumized and it continues to push, you could get in here, you could get in at the body. So this trade is still not done, you guys. I got done with it quick, but a lot of people could be entering in on the retest or the rejection of the previous, of the impulsive candle as well, okay? Look at that. Dirty, dirty. I hope none of you guys are caught in this chop, okay? I was confident with gold. That's where I had my sell stop sitting. And I hope none of y'all are in on this choppiness right now. Plus 500, Nandan. Congratulations, bro. That's That's a good amount to be making, man. Good amount to be making for 10 minutes of work. Literally, the stream has been up and running for about 15 minutes at this point. Okay? So fortunate, you guys. Seriously. Okay, is anyone in any sort of trades right now? My one-on-ones, where are you guys at? Let's take a look at the DXY. Same thing applies over here. Okay, you know what? Let's catch a nice little TP level for gold. Gold still has potential, you guys. Most certainly does. Okay, expect some demand to kick in again. Like I said, the retest could come in, and then again, I would like for a retest to come in though. Okay, otherwise I don't want to get faked out at this region. As you guys know, y'all shouldn't be buying the bottom or selling the top. My bad, y'all shouldn't be buying the top and selling the bottom. Okay, look at that. Look at that. Anyone in on Nasdaq? Nasdaq closed in our box, no retest, but respected supply and just is going for the wick fill. Anyone on the Nasdaq wick fill right now? Just the wick fill could be a nice 18 pip move, you guys. Okay, break those lows. The next level we're going to is 19.5. Good day, good day. Okay, the dirty isn't giving us anything as of right now, and I can see people leaving the stream. I'm guessing people have made them money and they're getting out, or they saw me make money and they're getting out. One of the two. It don't really matter, does it? W and Nasty, good job, Feja. Clean moves today, you guys. Clean moves. Today is my first point to 2W from morning. 2 for 2. Awesome, brother. Congratulations. And welcome to Forex trading. Still pushing, man. Nasty still pushing. Okay, we're gonna go hit TP on Nasdaq right there. We break these lows, boom, we're going for that wick fill as well. Okay? Come on. What a move, you guys. What a move. Whenever I see the candles open up from supply or demand for me, especially when it aligns up with catalysts like news, you guys, the move is not even the break of the impulse over here. The move is literally the wick fill. You know what I'm saying? It's lovely. Just this candle alone is a 21 pip candle. That wick fill was a 21 pip wick fill. Okay, they're trying to push. Extremely oversold on Goldilocks as we speak. Guys, gold was so beautiful today. One-on-ones, I want you guys to comment in the chat. What do y'all think of gold? Does it get more textbook than gold pre-news today? I hope you guys saw what we pointed out, because basically everything that we do in the 5 sessions, for the people in the 5-session course, leads and ends up with you guys having a picture perfect trade like gold just now. So I hope you guys are able to sort of understand why we were gearing up for the sales on gold. Doesn't get clearer than that. Yes, Space, my man. Lucky understood it as well. Where are my other one-on-ones at? Yep, it was clean. 0-0, Lucky, Space. Where's everyone else at, guys? Let me see the participants. How many of my one-on-ones are here? Okay, there are a few of y'all. clean, easy money. Yes, sir. I'm still running with partials on gold. Awesome, man. I completely liquidated my position, bro. Completely. 33 pips on 100 bucks a pip. I am not at all complaining. And the truth is, you guys must be noticing as to why I have dropped my lots. It's not because I have made my pips on London already, no, but it's more because the markets are super volumized, you guys. The moves are going to be bigger. You know, I don't need to be using any sort of bigger Lambos at this time, especially up until November, because we're going to get more pips. So we don't need to be risking more lots. Make sense? Drop your lots for the next couple of weeks, you guys. Next couple of months. And things that you're still going to make the same money, I promise you. I usually would risk 300 a pip and make my money, but I'm making the same amount of money now risking 100 a pip. Okay, so have a good idea of volume and liquidity and use it to your advantage. What do y'all think? Is gold gonna get into the reversals? Look at that. That perfect inverse relationship between these two, no? Overbought, oversold. This starts coming back down, that starts going back up. Textbook. Look at how freaking choppy US 30 is. Let's see if we want to respect this as supply. If we do, this wick fill could still happen, okay? They should change that, take it to chop 30. Absolutely, bro. Couldn't agree more. Okay, that's a pretty clean retest of the supply as well. Another nice entry point into the short positions. Okay, again, if anyone got in over here, I told y'all the wick fill could be coming. You should be running up by about 15 pips again. Multiple positions, multiple entry points for. Look at that. Please tell me someone got another rejection of supply. Somebody from my one-on-ones had to have. I know for a fact if no one, and if Space is trading Nasdaq right now, I'm sure at least he would have gotten on this. But guys, it doesn't get cleaner than this. Take your freaking 10 pips and get out. Literally, make your money and move on in life, okay? Does it make sense to long gold over 1904? Yeah, yeah. I want to see it pick up some more. To be fair, if you want to start looking for the retracements, bro, it's right there. Those would be your retracements back. Okay, the close above, retest, rejection, and a push. Trying to do it right now. Let them close though. Impulsive, be careful. Okay. See what I mean? They're still not really pushing it up. Nasdaq starting to get choppy. It's probably going to be choppy up until market open now, okay? I'm not going to stay till market open, you guys. I've had 2 solid sessions, 2 solid trades today. 30 pips for New York, and I got 12 pips for London. And I'm a very happy man. I don't need to be trading tomorrow. And I'll still be closing my week in good profits. Are you in gold? Not anymore, brother. Not anymore. pull out my position on gold completely. Okay. If anyone of you guys, the people that I am on here, if you're interested in joining the one-on-one mentorship program, we have very few slots left. Now is the time to go ahead and message up. There is a wait time, and we are booked for 2023 all the way till December. Alright, so if you guys want to learn how we trade these markets, and we don't give you guys any trading mumbo jumbo, we just give you guys what we use in our day-to-day trading to make money. We brush your basics, and we get you to use the basics in an advanced level. Okay, so our style of trading is just trading pure price action. We trade support, resistance, supply, demand, break structure. When I say break a structure, I don't just mean the continuation break of structures. I also mean the retracements and the rejections from structure. Okay, so we don't necessarily look to buy a bullish pattern or sell a bearish pattern. We spot price action in order to find our buy and sell levels irrespective of whether it's bullish or bearish price action. Okay. You should do signals. I'm sorry, buddy. We do not do signals. It's what separates us from all of these other trading groups, and the truth is signals don't work. They don't work, right? It could work for me, it could work for you, and the same signal won't work for someone else. There's no shortcut in these markets through signals, guys. Spend the time, learn price action, and you'll see things really work. Okay, signals will work for a short amount of time till it doesn't, and you're then just pretty much left alone. You know what I mean? Gold. Yeah, gold's still trying. Gold's still trying. Okay, what are these wicks telling me? That there are some buys that are sitting in this region. Okay, DXY could start pushing back up, and maybe we get that fill. Nasdaq's just getting super choppy, you guys. Super freaking choppy right now. Look at those wicks. Extremely dirty on Nasdaq. Yes, that's correct. That's correct, Lucky. Which is why we could be expecting the buys to kick in from the 1900 zone, right? I do think we're going to start to eventually push back up, but we may test out the 1900, which is right above our demand zone. Okay, do we have any questions from anyone on this call? Because again, like I said, I am done trading for the day. I know a lot of you guys are as well. If you'll have any questions, now's the time where I'm going to call it a session, okay? And please go ahead and post up on success stories for us, because we've been doing this for 1+ year, and we're going to continue to do this. We've been providing all of this for you guys as a completely free service, without really asking y'all for anything except success stories. Okay, so if you guys made any sort of money today, doesn't matter if it's $1, $100, 1,000, 10,000, doesn't matter if you paid trading, doesn't matter if you just picked up some information and value from the session. That in itself calls for a success story. Alright, so go ahead and post up, and like I said, if you guys are interested in joining the mentorship program, we have 180+ people on the mentorship program with us right now. There is a 6 to 8 week wait time at this point, but we do have an express package in case someone wants to skip the wait time and jump right into the sessions. We have weekend sessions, so you guys can also have us over the weekends. But yeah, just message us on general chat, and or open up a support ticket, and Cash will take care of the rest for you guys. Okay. Can we sell gold from 1905? Yeah, it could go back there, and then maybe it could come back down for sure. I could possibly see that happening, Chirag. Gold chart right here, Mohammed. Okay, and for market open, you guys know what you'll need to be doing. You'll have the levels, any sort of close above would give you a nice little move. And if gold wants to continue to sell, we're looking at the break of the demand. Okay. Cool. Do we have any questions, guys? Any questions at all? I'm still in Nasdaq from all this time. Lovely, bro. I love it. But now they're starting to create those higher highs. They're starting to create those higher highs, okay? BE sounds good. Okay. Cool, guys. I think I'm gonna call it a session. Solid day. It's been a solid week. These markets have been really, really, really good to us. And tomorrow's a Friday, so I am actually gonna be extremely conservative tomorrow because I understand that Fridays can now start being a little more erratic than the newer people on here are used to. What I mean by conservative is if I drop my loss from 300 to 100 today, tomorrow is probably going to be a 50 kind of day. You know, so we're going to drop it. And like I said, even if I don't trade tomorrow, I'm still, I hit my profit target for the week. I have my, well, I'm not going to speak about my FTMO account, but I'm going to be funded soon. All right, couple of days, and the new account is going to be funded. All right, so anyway, I appreciate you guys. Hey, Mark, do you use mainly the 5-minute window on 15 minutes to trade? 5 minutes, buddy. We scalp these markets on the 5-minute time frame. So we do the analysis looking at the higher time frames, working our way down to the lower time frames. So we look at the daily, the 4H, the 1H, the 15s, and the 5s. We mark up our key levels, and then we basically just trade the 5 minutes. Yes, we do look at the 15 minutes every once in a while to get added confluence, but we're scalping on the 5. Okay, look at that little impulse on gold as we speak. 3.5 minutes to go. Be careful. Okay, gold could look like it's making a little bit of a double bottom as well. But this is a nice pullback. Okay, let's see how that comes in. Again, this is the move. I'm telling you guys, expect some supply at the daily resistance. Okay, look at that gold. Come on, anyone in on the gold buys? Muhammad, are you in on this, bro? If you are, 13 pips and counting. Okay. Ooh. Okay, look at US 30 space. I'm guessing you got stopped out of Nasdaq. US 30 is finally starting to bring that move in. Finally, look at that. Okay, now the volume's really kicking in. Anyone in on US 30? Anyone in on Nasdaq? Oof, okay. The volume's kicking in, and how? It was a small position. Gotcha. Sexy day, you guys. Look at that. Look at that volume kicking in. This sort of candles, they turn me on, man. Not even gonna lie. Okay. Gold. I want to see W's in the chat for that beautiful reversal on gold. That's intense, you guys. We got the sells and now we're catching the buys. That's pretty crazy if you ask me. I promise you, no streamer, no paid streamer as well is going to give you the moves going both ways. They'll probably get down with one and they'll be like, ah, that's all you pay for, bye-bye. And look at us, out here doing this for free. It's freaking crazy. Yes, that's what I reckon too, space. Look at that, man. Anyone in on the dirty? You did not call gold? Of course I did, brother. I called both the sells and the buys. Everything that you see here on the charts, these are our charts. Literally, gold was the move that I made money on today. Okay, I'm gonna wait for the next minute or two and I'm gonna call it a session. Okay, you guys. Caught both ways on Goldilocks. Thank you, bro. I appreciate you. You're most welcome. R. Congratulations. And make sure to go ahead and post it up on Success Stories, okay? We'd appreciate that. Okay, I'm gonna wait for another minute or two. Solid, man. What a day. I love it. I love it. Caught gold 1% in 1905. Congratulations, Crypto Rex. Good stuff. Good stuff. Okay, expect a little bit of maybe a retracement and a continued push to supply. Okay, and I'm starting to see rejection that's going to come in over here. Alright, what are we seeing over here? One-on-ones. Anything that is catching your eye? Anything at all? Good job, Mohammed. Good job. Okay, gold still going strong. And yeah, expect a little bit of a drop over here and maybe a continued push, right? So maybe something potentially like that. There you go. Drops coming in. This is the power of price action, you guys. It's almost crazy to see how once you understand the language of these candles and how once you understand price action, you're pretty much able to tell what these markets are going to do. You know, it's intense. I've been doing this for close to 8 years now, and it still it blows my mind every single day. It's crazy. I'm waiting for market open to put my Corolla down on gold. Nice. Okay, you guys, I'm gonna call it. All right, solid session. Make sure those success stories keep pouring in. Don't be lazy, you guys. Listen, if we were lazy, we wouldn't be coming here every single day to do these streams for y'all. You'll need to understand that we're not making any sort of money out of producing these streams for y'all. It's just that we have the intent of building our army of millionaires and doing it the right way, which is why we do what we do for absolutely free for you guys. Don't get us wrong, okay? We're not looking for 1,000 people that are going to come on our streams and trade a demo account or just watch. We're looking for 100 people that are going to be trading $100,000 accounts and making money with us every single day. When that happens, that's the time we're going to switch over to a paid subscription. That's the time when we are going to basically filter out everyone else and just have the actual real traders with us. Okay? Now is your time to get learning. This group is not going to be one of those anyone can join if you pay $50 or $100 group. No. This group is going to be a closed knit community. It's going to be a community where people are learning off of each other, and it's going to be a community where we, the army of millionaires, are going to build step by step towards being the goddamn army of billionaires, you guys. Thank you all so much. I freaking love you guys. I will see you guys both for London and New York tomorrow. Cash is going to be there for y'all, and I am going to come back for New York as well. Let's end the week strong. Tomorrow for me personally is going to be a learning day. I'm going to try and see how these markets are going to react on a Friday, and just maybe take some trades. In fact, if I trade London and I make my pips on London, fuck it, I'm done. I'm legit not even going to put anything more than a feeler if I do trade New York. Alright, guys? Thank you all so much. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you all are. Make sure the success stories come in. And again, for the one-on-ones, go ahead, post up on General Chat, and Cash FX, my lovely wife and my partner here at Forex Trading, will take care of the details. Alright, thank you guys so much. Take it easy. I'm Mark, aka Crime FX, my partner's Cash, and this is Forex Trading. Signing out, you guys. Ciao.